Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram pop-ups not showing up. If you're troubleshooting this problem, the first thing you should do is check your notification settings. Open the Settings app and select Apps and Notifications. Search and click on Instagram for the list of applications and tap Notification. Then, tap the slider next to all Instagram notifications. When notifications are turned on, the slider will be blue and white. Second, turn on notifications from the Instagram app. Open the Instagram application, click on the profile icon on the bottom right of the screen, and select the three horizontal lines icon. Select Settings, and then tap Notifications. Then, check Do Not Disturb or DND mode. Swipe down the Notifications panel and tap on the DND shortcut. Fourth, disable Low Power mode. Each Android brand's name for power-saving functionality differs depending upon its manufacturer. The simplest way to navigate and turn off the power-saving feature is through the drop-down panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen, then check the shortcut option, and you can see Power Saving mode. Alternatively, open Settings, search for Power Saving, and turn off. Fifth, clear Instagram cache. Go to your Android's phone, tap on Apps and Notification, and then tap on Instagram. Then select Storage and tap on Clear Cache. 6. Turn on background app refresh for Instagram. 7. Check your network connection. 8. Update or reinstall the latest Instagram version. 9. Update your device's operating system. And 10. Log out and back into the Instagram app or restart your device. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.